Did you know that recent U.S. tariffs have cost Canada over $1.3 billion in lost exports just this year alone? What does that have to do with home prices in Chicago? A whole lot more than you might think. Hi, I'm Erica McClain, Chicago Realtor, with a curious eye on the big picture. Today we're unpacking the ripple effects of the U.S. tariffs on Canada and how those ripples might just be lapping at the edges of the Chicago real estate market. The U.S. has placed tariffs on several Canadian goods, from lumber to steel. While this might sound like international business as usual, it's creating real pain across the border. Canadian industries are laying off workers, exports are slowing, and supply chains are tightening. And when one of our closest trade partners sneezes, Chicago's economy, especially industries like construction and manufacturing, catches a cold. Okay, let's connect the dots. Tariffs on Canadian lumber mean higher prices for U.S. home builders. Guess what that means? Higher costs to build homes. And that trickles down to everything. Fewer new builds, slower developments, and yes, more competition for existing homes. On top of that, layoffs in Canada reduce cross border spending and investment. Fewer Canadians buying vacation properties or investing in Chicago's downtown. That affects demand and even price stability. Here's the kicker. In 2024, a major mild sized developer in Chicago paused a 200 unit residential project. Why? The cost of imported steel and lumber from Canada was too unpredictable. One project, sure, but multiply that across dozens of developments, and you've got a drag on the housing supply just as demand remains high. It's a perfect example of how intertwined our economies really are. When one side tightens, the other flinches. US tariffs might feel like political chess moves, but they come with real economic consequences, especially for allies like Canada. And in Chicago, the real estate market isn't immune to that economic tension. What do you think? Should Canada retaliate or negotiate? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos about how global events shape local real estate, check out the other videos on my playlist. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, and hope to see you for another video.